Ja, schaffe.
Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the channel once again. And if it's your first time here, my name is Giggle, and today's video is a sad one. You know, this thing happened all the way back in May, but I kept it, a little bit on a low key. Wasn't sure if I have to put it out there for you guys, but I know those that I have contact with, I've already shared this thing with them, so I think for them it's not a big deal. But I was also thinking, should I, put it out there? But I think there are so many things that we can learn from this. And I also want to inform you guys, what has happened, because when we started building this project and I shared it with you guys the beginning of the year, I have a video about it, about container building. I have everything from the beginning till the end. So if this thing has happened, I think I should let you guys also know, because I share so many tips, when it comes to container is still building. And unfortunately, this happened, at my workplace, and everything got burned down. It hasn't been easy this year. It hasn't been easy, but yeah, we're still holding on, and yeah, the struggle is on, but we don't we have to keep our head up and still move on. So this is just an update to show you what happened. There was a fire outbreak in May. I was sleeping when I got a call from my manager to that there's a fire, and I checked in the live camera, and the whole place was burning. The whole place was down. It's also part of the journey. Sometimes there are ups and downs, but this is something we can learn. I'm saying, if you have investment, you always have to get insured. Make sure that you insure your investment. Anything can happen. For those of us that are building back home, we go through a lot. Some of us are using everything we have to build back home. We don't even have a good life here in the West. We put everything in, and anything can happen. Anything can happen. There might be theft. Someone can just go in there and steal everything. There might be fire outbreak. There might be flooding, like what happened in Akosomo area. I saw houses, mansions underwater. And I believe maybe someone else just finished building his house maybe a month ago, 2 months ago, and this happened. All your investment is gone, under the water with fire. So this is just an update. Then you can stay till getting to the end of the video. For those of you that haven't seen how it looked before it got burned, I have a video at the end. You can check it out. And if you're also someone who likes to build with container or steel structure in wood, you can also check in my playlist. I think it's the container structure or the container building or container homes. You can check in my playlist. I have a full video of how we started the whole thing. So this is how it looked after they cleared the whole place, after they cleaned all the ashes and wood. That's how it was back to how we started. If you watch my first video, of this project. This is how it was looking when we started. So yeah, so this is how it was. So I'll just leave you guys to just watch the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I really don't have much to say, like I said, I just wanted to update you guys and just let you know what has happened. It happened all the way in May, but I wasn't sure whether to put it out there. But I think, since I shared it with you, you also have to know, so this is just an update. So I will just leave you for you to just watch till the end.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument?